Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HTJ Tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we want to talk about the Chinese ODI initiatives. This is the Outward Direct Investment Initiative. And to guide us through that minefield, we have Mark Morris again. Mark, could you introduce yourself?
Okay, so I'm Mark Morris. I'm an expert in automatic exchange of information, which is CRS, and FATCA and CARF, and soon to be the immovable property exchange of information. And I was a consultant for the EU Commission and the EU Parliament and the OECD for about 10 years. And then I went on my own. Okay.
So, well, I guess following on from that, what are the encouraged ODIs? So, in terms of outward development initiatives, what are encouraged by the Chinese government?
ODI are projects that are conducive to the Belt and Road construction and infrastructural connection amongst neighboring countries and regions. ODI projects that may drive the output of superior production capacity, high quality equipment, and technical standards. So they want to export, they wanted to help the export of goods and services from China. Okay, a hotel or a casino doesn't help that. Okay,
Yeah.
They want to strengthen the investment cooperation with overseas high tech and advanced manufacturing, and encourage the establishment of overseas research and development centers. So you see, you can go a lot more sophisticated, but I prefer just to say cement factory for roads, or build bridges, trains. Expand the agricultural cooperation with other countries and carry out mutual beneficial investment in agriculture, forestry, herding, fisheries, and other fields. Promote overseas investment in business culture, logistics, and other service in an orderly manner, and support eligible financial institutions to establish overseas branches and service networks. So it's going to keep coming back to that map that I had on page 2, which you'll show again. If it supports that, it's encouraged.
Okay, that's good. So Mark, if anyone wants to follow up with you on any of these issues, what's the best way to reach you?
It's via my website, www.co-ownershiptrust.com, but the co-owner has got a dash between the co and the owner. Or you just Google my name and CRS, and you should be able to find me and my website quickly.
Okay, fantastic. Perfect.